First shot, only one shot for the Glock 19. That's where I hit. Just bought it. Not too bad. This is about a hand-sized target. I'm about, I don't know, 10 yards away, 15 yards away, maybe. Let's go ahead and shoot some more. Let's go see. Alright, got a few rounds. Let's see what it's like down here. Not too bad. I said it's about the size of a hand, so hitting this whole target. See, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That one's way off. I think I got 2 more rounds in my magazine. I only loaded 10 rounds. It's a Glock 19. Holds 15 rounds, but I'm gonna put 10 rounds in there. Short video. But not too bad. So far, so good. Let's go see what it's like for the last 2 rounds. And that's the Glock 19 you just got. Not bad. It's a used one. Wasn't very bad. Seems like the sights are on. Let's shoot these last 2 rounds. Excuse me, it was only 1 more round.